Let us travel around by learning multiple languages with the help of this video. Today, we are going to learn airport-related sentences in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. Let me begin with our today's session, but before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Please do not skip the video. Watch the video till end so that you may not miss anything from today's learning. So without making any further delay, let's get started. Could you please show me your ticket and passport? Or may I see your ticket and passport please? Let's learn to say this in Hindi. क्या मैं आपका टिकट और पासपोर्ट देख सकता हूँ? देखना means see in English. आपका is nothing but your in English. Now in Tamil, உங்களோட டிக்கெட் மற்றும் பாஸ்போர்ட்டை நான் பார்க்கலாமா? Or நான் உங்களோட டிக்கெட் மற்றும் பாஸ்போர்ட்டை பார்க்கலாமா? You can say in any of these ways. Next in Telugu, నేను మీ టికెట్ మరియు పాస్పోర్ట్ చూడవచ్చా? Let's move on to Kannada. Next in Kannada, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದಾ? ನೋಡಬಹುದಾ means can I see in English. Next, number 2, what is the purpose of your travel? Let's learn its meaning in Hindi. आपकी यात्रा का उद्देश्य क्या है? उद्देश्य means purpose. यात्रा means travel in Hindi. Now let's move on to Tamil. உங்களோட பயணத்தின் நோக்கம் என்ன? பயணம் means travel. In Telugu, మీ ప్రయాణం ఉద్దేశం ఏమిటి? ప్రయాణం is nothing but travel. ఏమిటి means what. In Kannada, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯಾಣದ ಉದ್ದೇಶವೇನು? ಪ್ರಯಾಣ means travel. ಉದ್ದೇಶ is again purpose. Number 3, I have the printout of my ticket with me. Now let's learn this in Hindi. मेरे पास मेरे टिकट का प्रिंट आउट है. मेरे पास is nothing but with me. Now let's move on to Tamil. என்னிடம் என்னோட டிக்கெட் பிரிண்ட் அவுட் இருக்கு. Or you can also say as என்கிட்ட என்னோட டிக்கெட் பிரிண்ட் அவுட் இருக்கு. Now in Telugu, నా టికెట్ ప్రింట్ అవుట్ నా దగ్గర ఉంది. నా దగ్గర ఉంది means with me, I have with me. Now in Kannada, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನನ್ನ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇದೆ. Or you can also say as ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇದೆ. You can say in any of these ways. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ which means with me. Next, number 4, please proceed towards the immigration counter. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. कृपया is nothing but please. कृपया immigration counter की ओर बढ़ें. बढ़ना is nothing but proceed. And the other way of saying is कृपया immigration counter की तरफ चलिए. Let's move on to Tamil. தயவு செய்து immigration counter நோக்கி செல்லவும். Instead of தயவு செய்து, you can also say as தயவு செஞ்சு. So both means the same. Now it's time to learn in Telugu. దయచేసి ఇమిగ్రేషన్ కౌంటర్ వైపు వెళ్ళండి. వెళ్ళండి means go, వైపు means towards. Now in Kannada, దయవిಟ್ಟು is nothing but please. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಮಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರೆಯಿರಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಮಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರೆಯಿರಿ. ಕಡೆಗೆ means towards. ಮುಂದುವರೆಯಿರಿ means proceed. Next, number 5, where is the check-in counter of American Airlines? Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. American Airlines check-in counter कहाँ है? और American Airlines check-in counter कहाँ पे है? कहाँ which means where. Now in Tamil, American Airlines check-in counter எங்கே இருக்கு? எங்கே இருக்கு means where it is. Now in Telugu, American Airlines check-in counter ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఎక్కడ ఉంది means where it is. Now in Kannada, American Airlines check-in counter ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ which means where it is. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ means where it is. Next, number 6, can I get a window seat? Let's learn to say this in Hindi. क्या मुझे window seat मिल सकता है? Window can also be said as खिड़की. Now in Tamil, எனக்கு window seat கிடைக்குமா? In Telugu, నాకు window seat ఇవ్వగలరా? And in Kannada, ನಾನು ವಿಂಡೋ ಸೀಟ್ ಪಡೆಯಬಹುದಾ or ನನಗೆ ವಿಂಡೋ ಸೀಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? You can say in any of these ways. Next one, which is also a part of security check. So this is also commonly used sentence in the airport. Do I need to take my laptop out of my bag? In Hindi, क्या मुझे अपने बैग से लैपटॉप निकालने की ज़रूरत है? ज़रूरत is nothing but need. निकालना is take out. Now in Tamil, என்னோட பேக்கில் இருந்து லேப்டாப் எடுக்க வேண்டுமா? In Telugu, నేను నా బ్యాగ్ నుండి ల్యాప్టాప్ తీయాలా ఆర్ నేను నా బ్యాగ్ నుండి ల్యాప్టాప్ తీయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? Now let's move on to Kannada. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಂದ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕಾ? ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕಾ means take out. Next, number 8. Do you have a photo ID? Let's learn this in Hindi. क्या आपके पास फ़ोटो आईडी है? क्या आपके पास फ़ोटो आईडी है? In Tamil, உங்களிடம் फ़ोटो आईडी இருக்கா? Now in Telugu, మీ దగ్గర फ़ोटो आईडी ఉందా? Or one more way of saying is, మీతో फ़ोटो आईडी ఉందా? Both means the same. Let's move on to Kannada. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಐ ಡಿ ಇದೇನಾ ಆರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಫೋಟೋ ಐ ಡಿ ಇದೇನಾ? Both means the same. Every middle class person's dream would be to fly once in a while. I wish everyone's dream would come true. So how was the today's session? Was it enlightening? I hope you would have learned something new from my today's video. If yes, then hit a like. If you were engaged throughout the video, then please do share with your friends and family members. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and kindly turn on the notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Watch out many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. Work hard until your dreams come true. That's all for today. Let's catch up in next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host Kavita signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you again.